Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can customize your header here in Shopify. So let's get started. Here we are in shopify.com and we want to start our free trial, or we want to log in if you already have an account. But for me, I will be signing up, and here I'm not using the platform. Just really quick, right here I am an online store, and just like that, and I have products. Then the store name is really important right here. Just a quick registration right here. Let's go Choots store, just like that. Now let's go click on next, and the country that we're going to be using is Philippines, based on your country, whatever country that you'd like. And you want to continue with email right here, and now we want to get a temporary email just for this example, but in your case you should not use a temporary email, you should use your own email. And you want to set a password, Choots, just 09282 Choots right there, and create Shopify ID right there, and say never, and it's now building your store. Just wait for it. Wait for it to load. It's gonna take a while because it's your first time signing up and signing in into your Shopify, so it would take quite a while for it to load up all the details that you have input and creating your own store. And now it's here. The wait is over right now. So here we are in our Shopify. So today we want to customize our own headers. So a simple thing that you can do for that is go to settings right here, and you want to go in your store details right here. You can see the store details, but we're gonna go here on brand right here, and in here we want to add the colors right here. You can add right there whatever colors you like there, and just like that. Or maybe you could add another one, just a really quick one. Maybe you could add a green one right there. And you could also add a cover image if you like, or a slogan. Here you can add one, or short description right here. Let's say just a random words or letters right there. So, and you could also add your social links. This is very important in creating your own store, so that your viewers can know your social accounts. So once you're satisfied with this, and you have added everything right here from logo, square until here in social links, then we can now proceed. Now where we're gonna go is store details right here. Oh, we need to click on save first. I forgot. There, it's now saved. So now once you are done customizing your brand settings right here, if you're satisfied with this, then we can now proceed. Right here, let's go exit, and we want to go here on online store and themes. We can customize our online store right here, the web page of our online store. And as you can see here the header, the announcement bar right here, the image banner. But we're gonna go back here because we don't have anything here just yet. But if you just want to edit here, then you could simply go do that. You can add the block, you can add everything here, the second image, first image right here, the banner height. You could select the height right there. You could go for large. You can even customize everything right here. So now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna install an app so that we could have it easier. And to do that, we can go here to add apps right here. Let's go to the App Store by clicking here on apps and search gem pages right here. And as you can see, no results found. We need to click on the Shopify App Store right there so that we can see it. Right here is the gem pages landing page builder. We want to install this one, and we want to add app right there. We want to add it first there, and install app right here. And after you have done that, then you could use the app. Let's just wait for it. Now we are being redirected to the dashboard of gem pages, and you can select either landing pages, product pages, collection, home pages, blog posts, new online store, but we're gonna go for landing pages right here. Or you can try your editor. You could also do this if you don't want to choose one of them. So here you can actually go and start your landing page right here. You can have a lot of options right here to add into your Shopify store that you could add. Here we have the heading, which is the header right here. You could just drag it right here and your heading is here. But we're gonna pick a template because we want to make it easier. So we're gonna go here in landing pages and create your page right there. And this is basically the same if you're gonna create a landing pages. But to find the themes, we want to go and go back into the gem pages right here. Let's just go back right there into the Shopify right there, and here is the dashboard right here. So here in the landing pages, as you can see, these are what we have created right here. So what we're gonna do from that is, after we're done customizing, we're gonna choose some templates right here so that it could be easier. Like for example, these gem shoes right here, we could choose this template to be updated in our Spotify so that it would be placed in our Shopify store if you want. As you can see, that this header is awesome right here. If you want to copy that, then you could absolutely do that using the templates here in gem pages. As you can see, you have a lot of options right here: the dimensions, the link, alt tag, alignment, extra class, and whatsoever. So if you want to use this, you can just go and publish right here, and you can just click here on publish and it will be updated. So once you have done that, and once you're satisfied with your gem pages, what you have done in your gem pages, then you can now go back to Shopify. And let's go back to the settings right here, and we're gonna go again into we're gonna go here in the themes right here, and you could also add some popular themes right here in Canva. If you don't want to use the gem pages, then it's actually fine to choose a theme here in Shopify that you could use. Like for example, this one is called Refresh, and you can add it by just simply clicking on add right there, and it will be added right here. So here it's refresh, it says installing theme right there. So you just have to wait so that you could install the theme, and you would have awesome headers just like that one, and you could copy the headers right there. And you could also visit the theme store if you want right there. Right here in Shopify themes, you could visit it, and as you can see, there are a lot of themes right here that you could use. Like for this one, it's craft origin. Some are paid, some are free. It really depends on what you want and what you can afford. So let's go back right there, and now it's just added right just now, the refresh theme. So let's go customize it right there, and as you can see, this is now our header right there. In announcement, here is our header. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna customize this one, like maybe let's go on add a section right here. You can add a section if you want right there. So as you can see, this header already looks pretty good for me because of the themes right there. You could just edit the text right here if you want, or you could edit a lot of it by simply going here into the theme settings right here, and you could choose the drawers if you want to add that, and you could also add a logo right here. You could import an image right there, and for the buttons, you have a lot to choose from right here. You can even choose a theme style right here. So once you have done that, then you're already good. And another tip that I can give you is go to canva.com, and you could also import headers from Canva right here. Let's go and type headers. There are a lot of templates here in Canva just like this for your business. Let's say you are a office supply business, your business selling office supplies, then you could go for office headers, and it would show you headers that is office theme just like this one. This one is really professional. I like this one. And yeah, you could basically get that all from Canva, and just a quick tip in Canva, you can actually have your pro account for a year for literally free. If you're a student or you're in a university, then you could just present your ID or your university email and you will have the premium account of Canva, and you can avail it for a year. So once you're done with all of that, that's basically it on how you can customize your header in Shopify by going here into editing your store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.